ನನಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಯಿತು ಅವ್ರು ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಿ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಸೋಂಥ ಪದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಡ್. ಕುಡ್ಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ನ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್.
Hello friends, learn could. Could means ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಯಿತು. It is past form of can. Can means ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಈಗ. Could means ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಯಿತು. It is used to talk ability or possibility in the past. In positive form, could means we can use as was able to or were able to or had been able to. Again, could means ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಯಿತು, ಆಯಿತು. ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸೇ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಯಿತು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ. ಬಟ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿಷಯ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವಾಕ್ಯನ ನಾವು ತುಂಬ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಕುಡ್ ನಾಟ್. ಕುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು or were not able to or had not been able to. Friends, now let us learn now positive sentence. First use your subject, any pronoun or any name, then here could, then present verb, then object. For example, I could meet a friend yesterday means ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ನೆನ್ನೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಯಿತು. India could get freedom from British. Next example, America could kill Bin Laden. I could fulfill one of my dreams 7 years ago means ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಕನಸನ್ನು ಪೂರ್ಣ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ 7 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಯಿತು. Now friends, my teammate will say what he could do in the past. Afterwards, you say examples.
I could learn bike riding 2 years ago. I could study MA 2 years ago.
ನನಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಂಥದ್ದು ಕುಡ್ ನಾಟ್.
Friends, learn now negatives. For negative, how to add here not. Could not means ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. In ಕನ್ನಡ we use so much. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಆದರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. Could not is also used as was not able to or were not able to or had not been able to. To make negative sentence, just write here not after could. First use your subject, then could not, then present verb, then object, then add verb to mention time. For example, I could not attend a marriage yesterday means ನಾನು ನೆನ್ನೆ ಒಂದು ಮದುವೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. My children could not go to school 2 weeks ago because they were ill. Gandhiji could not live for 100 years. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ 100 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಬದುಕೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. Now, my teammate will say what he could not do.
My brother could not speak even once in his life. My friend could not get a government job.
Friends, now say what you could do in the past and say what you could not do in the past. Say to your family members and practice more and more. Could is also used to ask permission like this. First could is used, then subject could I or could we, like, then present verb, then object, then a question mark. See friends, when it is used to ask permission, now it is present expression, not past tense. Now it is present tense, like can I. Could I is also used to ask permission. For example, examples are here. Could I come in, sir?
Yes, you could.
Thank you. Could I sit beside you?
Yes, you sit.
Thank you.
Could I know your children's name?
Of course. My daughter is Prini. My son is Febin. Next, could you. Could you is used to give polite instructions. not order, to say politely to do activities. ನಾಜೂಕಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ನಾವು ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಸೋಂಥದ್ದು ಈ ಕುಡ್ ಯು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಕುಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ದ ವಿಂಡೋ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಾಗ್ಲಾಕ್ತೀಯಾ. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬಾಗ್ಲಾಕು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಕುಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ದ ವಿಂಡೋ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಾಗ್ಲಾಕ್ತೀಯಾ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪೊಲೈಟ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್, ನಾಜೂಕಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋಂಥದ್ದು. ಆವಾಗ ಬಳಸೋಂಥದ್ದು ಈ ಕುಡ್ ಯು. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನಾರ್ಥಕ ಚಿಹ್ನೆ ಇದೆ, ಆದರೆ ಇದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ನಾಜೂಕಾಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋಂಥದ್ದು. ಫಾರ್ಮಲೈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಎ ಕುಡ್ ಯು, ದೆನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ವರ್ಬ್, ದೆನ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಕುಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ದ ವಿಂಡೋ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಿಟಕಿ ಬಾಗಿಲು ಹಾಕ್ತೀಯಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಕುಡ್ ಯು ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಟಲ್, ನನಗೆ ನೀರಿನ ಬಾಟಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಕುಡ್ ಯು ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆನ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ. ಸರ್, ಕುಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ದ ವಿಂಡೋ?
Yes, I could.
Sir, could you give me the water bottle?
Yes, I could.
Could you switch on fan?
Yes, I could.
These sentences can be converted into requesting sentence also. It is very easy. Just write here, please. Here also, could you close the window please? Could you give me the water bottle please? Could you switch on fan please? Now these are requesting sentences or requesting instructions. Now friends, pause your TV and ask permission or give polite instructions to your family members. Say many examples to practice more. Friends, learn now yes or no question. For that, first use your was, then pronoun I or he or she or it. Otherwise, use any singular noun. Then write here able to. Then use a present verb, then an object, then a question mark. For example, was India able to get freedom from British?
Yes, India could.
Yes, India could. Otherwise, you can say yes, India was able to. Next example, was your friend able to meet you yesterday? Was your friend able to meet you yesterday?
No, he could not.
No, he could not. Otherwise, you can say no, he was not able to. Now, friends, pause your TV and ask questions to your family members. Next formula for yes or no question. First use your were. Afterwards use you or we or they. Or when you use plural form, use were. Then use your able to. Then present verb, then an object, then a question mark. For example, were you able to complete your work yesterday?
Yes, I could.
Yes, I could. Otherwise, you can say I was able to. You answer. Were you able to complete your work yesterday? Okay, next question. Were you able to get highest marks in exam?
No, I was not able to.
No, I was not able to. Otherwise, no, I could not. Friends, now pause your TV and question your family members about their past abilities. After that, say what you could do in the past that you cannot do now. ಹಿಂದೆ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಯಿತು ಅದನ್ನು ಈಗೇನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಐ ಕುಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇ when I was small child, but now I cannot play because I am not small boy and I don't have time. Like this example say, friends. And also after that say what you can do now but that you could not do in the past. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ ಈಗ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಕಾರ್ but I could not drive car 5 years ago. I can ride bike now but I could not ride bike 18 years ago. Like this example say, friends, say to your family members or friends and practice more. Make a list. First make a list, write that. Afterwards say to your friends or family members to practice.